Here's how to download music on iPhone for free. So to download the song, you need to install the app. The app name is SoundCloud. App's link is given in the description. Install the app SoundCloud and open it. Here you can find your favorite music. Next here, scrolling down to find the music. So here you can also play your favorite music. To download this music, tap on the three dots at the bottom right corner of the screen. Copy the link to download music. Next tap on share. From here tap on copy to copy the link. Now go back to home and open any web browser. Here search for xCloud Downloader. Then go for next. The app has got everything you would want to enjoy music. Now here tap on SoundCloud Downloader. Then you will able to see this page. Next here enter the link which you copied. And then tap download. Next here if you tap download manually, then you can see like this. The app also suggests you the tracks based on your likes. If you select download track, again tap on download. You can absolutely free download from here. From top of the screen, you can view the download music. Also you can hear listen the music. You can play or pause it.